Little project I had to do today. Kind of a minimal maintenance field access road. Guy got his beans out and he wanted the road reshaped. I was hoping to get some action video with my GoPro and my drone, but the wind is currently blowing 35 miles an hour and I don't think anybody wants to listen to the wind noise. I can't fly my drone in this kind of wind, and my GoPro battery decided not to charge last night, so I don't have any action photos. So figured I would just take a drive down and show you what I did here. There was an old fence here. He took the fence out, and big ridge. So what I did is I just took and peeled the ridge off, brought it up on the road, and got the road elevated up here, so the road's higher than the field. And this is just going to stay dirt. It's not going to be gravelled or anything. It's just accessed 2-3 times a year. It's just a low access road. It gets the job done. Pretty happy how this turned out. It's always nice to have it dry so the dirt moves nice. You always find a few big boulders in a fence line. I don't know what it was, but seemed like the old guys, when they did field work, they put the rocks on the operating platform or the step, and then they got to the fence line, they threw the rocks off. But it turned out real nice, really happy with it. Farmers should be happy. You can get in and out of here real nice. And it took me just about 5 hours to get just about a half mile of this done. So he'll gain a little extra farmland. You'll be able to plant an extra 3-4 rows of beans now, and I think everything turned out really good. Now, hopefully have some better weather this fall so I can get some video with my drone and doing dirt work like this. And I got a lot of different fence lines and stuff to do this fall, so stay tuned for that. Any questions how I did this or whatever, put them in the comments. Thanks everybody for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.